Hello! TeamDrive spaces can store an unlimited number of folders and files. However, you should observe a few tips in order to be able to work effectively and without any problems. In this context, it is important to note that TeamDrive prefers a folder structure with multiple smaller spaces. Additionally, it is helpful to perform changes in the structure of your spaces while TeamDrive is shut down. TeamDrive processes all files sequentially one after another within the space. If you change something in the file system, you have to be patient until TeamDrive has recorded and processed your actions. Especially if you copy in large files or amounts of files such as large video files or a folder with many smaller files. Any further moving or renaming within the same space to which you copy files extends the tasks that TeamDrive has already been assigned to process. Because while TeamDrive is processing files within the space, you interrupt the software process if you add more tasks while active processes are in progress. Generally, it is better to distribute large amounts of data to several smaller spaces. That is because spaces are processed in parallel with their tasks so that they get their desired results faster. This makes it easy to receive new files from employees and the data is transferred faster. So, if you only have one space and you upload a large amount of data, TeamDrive will download new data once the upload process has been completed. Please think about the file structure you want your space to have. If you make major changes to a folder structure, for example, you want to move many files or rename directories, we recommend closing the TeamDrive app completely and then making all the changes in the local file system. Only then you start the TeamDrive app again, and the TeamDrive app then accepts all the latest changes and does not have to record and edit every small change during the operation. In this way, you may also reduce the recovery times of your spaces, since the change history of your space is smaller. Also, you may have several spaces so that you are not unable to work during a waiting period.